Happy Monday, everyone. This is Dawn here with my oil kids, and I am just wanting to share with you how to use oregano essential oil by doTERRA. This is the oregano essential oil that I use. This oil is an amazing oil, actually. I have had great success using it, and a couple of ways that are some quick, easy ways. Oops, I thought I lost the connection. Okay, sorry. So a couple of easy ways to use this oil. Let's start with about 5 ways. So we're going to do 5 ways. Now this oil is a powerful oil, and it is definitely an oil that you wouldn't use as your regular daily routine. At most, I would use 10 days in a row or so, especially if you're fighting some sort of bug and so forth. So immune support is number 1. The bottoms of the feet 3 times a day is one thing that's going to really help your immune support, especially if you are trying to fight and battle something. Then I would recommend taking it internally with a veggie cap. Number 2 is going to be your urinary tract. So if you are having some sort of urinary tract issues or anything like that, I would strongly recommend putting it into a veggie cap and also adding 2 to 3 drops of lemongrass in it, and then taking internally in the veggie cap. 3 is skin issues. So if you have any sort of skin issues like athlete's feet, definitely dilute it with fractionated coconut oil or some other form of carrier oil. But so athlete's feet, warts, calluses, skin tags, I guess any sort of sores like around the mouth, definitely is amazing for skin issues. And 4th, I would say, is cooking. So this is pretty awesome because one time I went to my spice cupboard, actually often, and I don't have oregano. So what do I use? I use essential oil. So one way to use it in your cooking, and keep in mind it is strong, so you want to use it with a toothpick. So you just basically open up the bottle, stick a little toothpick in there, and then whatever's on that toothpick, that's what you're going to stir around in whatever recipe you're making. So pizza sauce, marinara, any kind of Italian sauce, seasoning, it's delicious. I love cooking with my essential oils, hence that's why I have these in the back. This is my other area for my spices. Spices with essential oils. Anyhow, the 5th way is digestive support. So if you are dealing with any sort of things with your intestinal tract or anything like that, definitely take it internally in a veggie cap to help with that and help support that. Now, on the other note, I do like to talk about the emotion side of essential oils and how they can help you emotionally. This oil is basically an oil that's the oil of humility and non-attachment. I'm going off of this book that I use and I like to reference. It's just The Emotions and Essential Oils. It's a modern resource for healing. This is the 2016 guide. Now, oregano, basically, I'm just going to read this. It's basically, oregano cuts the fluff of life and teaches individuals to do the same. It removes blocks, clears negativity, and cuts away negative attachments. Oregano is a powerful oil and may even be described as forceful or intense. It does address a couple different things. So negative emotions it does address is overly attached pride, opinionated, negative, excessively willful, and materialistic. Those are all the emotions that maybe if you're having those negative emotions, rubbing or even diffusing oregano is a great option to help move through those emotions. Positive properties that this will help you with is humility, non-attachment, teachable, being flexible, willingness to be wrong, and being devoted. So definitely I would say that this oil, if you're having some roadblocks, use this oil. This isn't just the only way to use the oil. There's many, many more. In fact, there are so many different ways that you can use these essential oils. But this is my oil kids and brought to you by Dawn Cook, and have a wonderful Monday. Bye guys.